treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.